Do surviving pets feel grief too? When we lose a beloved companion, we're not the only ones who mourn. Today, I'll explain how to comfort the cat left behind and how to spot mourning behavior you might miss. Cats grieve and heal, just like us. Whether it was a multi-cat household or a bonded pair, the surviving cat feels the absence deeply. But how can we tell when our feline friends are mourning? Let me tell you about Luna's story. After her companion Max passed away, Luna began showing signs that many cat owners miss. Excessive vocalization was the first sign. Then came withdrawal and hiding. Here are the symptoms that surviving cats may experience after their companion has died. Loss of appetite and lethargy. Changes in grooming habits, either excessive or neglecting self-care. Restlessness and pacing. Sleeping in their companion's favorite spots. Increased anxiety and clinginess to their human family. Litter box avoidance or accidents. And perhaps most heartbreaking, searching behaviors and calling for their lost friend. So how do we support cats after pet loss, identify signs of feline grief, understand mourning behavior, and comfort those pets remaining in the home? First, maintain consistent routines. Cats find comfort in predictability. Encourage gentle play, even if they seem disinterested at first. Create safe, comfortable spaces where they can retreat when needed. Be patient with appetite changes. Sometimes hand feeding can help. Offer your presence without forcing interaction. Let them come to you. Use favorite treats and gentle encouragement to maintain their interest in life. Remember, how to help your grieving cat thrive takes time, patience, and understanding. Luna's story has a hopeful ending. With patience and consistent care, she gradually returned to her playful self. The grief didn't disappear overnight, but healing happened day by day. Your grieving cat can thrive again. With love, patience, and understanding, they'll find their way back to joy. Because just like us, cats have an incredible capacity to heal and love again. Do you have a story you would like to share? Comment below. We would love to hear from you. Please like and subscribe to ASCG Book Creators for more pet loss tips and resources. Thank you, and see you in the next video.